Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Helpline. In this video, we will be guiding you through how to add to watch list on Plex. If you find a movie or a TV show you want to watch later on Plex, then you can easily add it on your watch list. So in order to do that, first of all, open your Plex application. Also make sure that you are logged into your account by entering your account's credentials. Once you're signed in to the main homepage, go ahead and tap on hamburger menu icon at the top left hand corner. In the expanded menu, select watch list. You can now go ahead and tap on the contents from the list you would like to add to your watch list. Simply go ahead and select one of the movies or shows you will want to watch later from the list and tap on it. Soon after you tap on it, you will be able to select a content. You can select as many contents as you like and tap on done at the bottom right, and you have added a content on your watch list. If you find a movie or a show you'd like to add to your watch list from the main homepage of the Plex application, simply select the movie or the TV show and then in the preview page, tap on add show to watch list or add to watch list. Soon after you do that, you will now be able to find the content inside your watch list so that you can play it later on. In order to view your watch list, you can go to your home button and then tap on watch list, where you will be able to find all of the TV shows or movies that you've added to your watch list. And that's how you can easily add to watch list on Plex application. So that is how it can be easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.